All right, it is time to pull out your reading composition notebook to answer the following questions. Why do you think the text said the world celebrated? Why would people all over the world celebrate when they don't live in South Africa? I'm going to give you 3 minutes to answer these questions. All right, we're going to go ahead and wrap it up and move on to the next slide. The next question you're going to answer in your reading composition notebook is, think of Nelson's words, actions, and motivations. What character traits best describe him? I'm going to give you 1 minute to answer that. Okay, we're going to go ahead and come to a stopping point there. And on the next slide, you're going to answer these 5 questions. 1. Describe Nelson's childhood. 2. What was Nelson's goal and vision? 3. What kind of things did Nelson do in prison? 4. What happened in South Africa while he was in prison? 5. What did Nelson do after he was freed from prison?